the 12th International Human Rights Global Mission. Peace Conference and Summit was held on Saturday, 23rd August 2025 at 3:30 p.m. at the BMICH Lavender Hall, Colombo. The event was organized to mark World Humanitarian Day. The conference was graced by the presence of the special guest and chief guest, the head of the US Mission and the head of the International Human Rights Global Mission, Dr. Madhu Kirshan, distinguished scientist and distinguished professor of the United States, and the senior advocate of the Increase Group, the President of the Supreme Court of India, the President of the All India Handlooms and Handicrafts Commission, New Delhi, Mrs. S. Velasri. Hong Kong's Honorable Leading Global Businessman and Humanitarian Global Ambassador and Advisor Dr. Hatta Chung Wahid. And Justice Mr. Ganesh Raja, Mr. Sundarlingam Sudhakar and Mrs. Nirupna Sudhakar from the UK, Mr. Razak from the business sector, Mr. Alhaj Anif, owner of JJ Foundation, and Mr. Aberatne, former principal of Royal College, Colombo, were invited as the chief guests of the event. Also present at the event were the chairman of the International Human Rights Global Mission, Mr. Mahuzoon, President, Mr. Amir Khan, Vice President for Children and Women Affairs, Ms. Shirin, Legal Advisor, Mr. D.V. Shankar, Director, Mr. Abdul Razak, Board of Director and Media Director, Journalist, Mr. Faslan, including the members of the Board of Directors, Deputy Directors, Coordinators, and members participated in the event. During this, wheelchairs were provided by the International Human Rights Global Mission for those with special needs. Furthermore, Mr. Faslan, a journalist who helped bring a 40-foot wheelchair container from Germany to Sri Lanka for the International Human Rights Global Mission last April, and the coordinator Mr. Nilusha among others, expressed their intention to bring a similar container this year as well. During this event, Mr. T.V. Shankar, the legal advisor of the International Human Rights Global Mission and a former police officer, explained to the new members how to use the International Human Rights Global Mission ID card, its approach, when it should not be used, and who we should come forward for. The Special Social Award 2025 was held and honored during this event. In addition, certificates were presented by the Global Asian Achievers Council to recognize and evaluate social workers for their outstanding efforts, unwavering commitment, and exceptional achievements. Various individuals such as writers, journalists, professionals, social workers, and artists were presented with commendation awards. New members of the International Human Rights Global Mission were presented with certificates and identity cards by the chief guest. At the end of the event, selected members who have been serving as social activists for the past 3 years through the International Human Rights Global Mission were presented with the Best Champion Award, Best Performance 2025 Award by the Jaffna Muslim Association for outstanding performance in various aspects, such as remarkable efforts, unwavering commitment, and exceptional achievements and significant contributions. Many communities from all over the island were present at the event. Furthermore, through the International Human Rights Global Mission, various events including seminars and events related to drug eradication, free medical camps and tree plantations are being held across the country to eliminate violence against women and improve the academic and sports skills of children.
Very good afternoon all of you. We warmly welcome you all of this marvelous program we are conducting on the topic of human rights, humanitarians. We warmly welcome you all of to this program, the 12th program of International Human Rights.
අපේ අත්වල ලබා දෙන්න. ඒ අනුව අපේ රටේ සමාජීය වශයෙන් සමාජ සේවාවන් රසකට දායක වෙන්න සංගමයක් ලෙසින් අපේ අන්තර්ජාතික මානව හිමිකම් පොලිය හමුවට හැකියාව ලැබුණ බව
Today we all gathered here to do some services and for the sustainable development of our country. So last so many years we faced so many struggles, racial issues, religious issues, parties issues. So now in Sri Lanka we all got together. So especially our International Human Rights Global Mission, we work for the peace and harmony, especially peace and harmony.
இது எதற்காக உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கின்றது? இதன் அடிப்படை உரிமைகள் என்ன? இதை எவ்வாறு பாவிக்க வேண்டும்? இது எவ்வாறு எங்கே எப்போது எந்த இடத்தில் பாவிக்கலாம் என்பதை நாம் கட்டாயமாக தெரிந்து கொள்ள வேண்டும். අපට මෙම ඇඳුනුම් පතක් ලබා දීලා තියෙනවා. මේ ඇඳුනුම් පතේ භාවිතා කරලා අපිට ඕන දෙයක් කරන්න පුළුවන් කියලා එමෝම හිතා ගන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් මේ ඇඳුනුම් පතේ වටිනාකම කුමක්ද? මෙම කොයි වගේ ස්ථානයකද මේක භාවිතා කරන්න පුළුවන්? මේක තියෙන බලය මොකක්ද? මේවා අනිවාර්යෙන් අපිට දැනගත යුතුයි.